Hey you guys, today we have two Google phones. We have the new or newer Google Pixel 4 XL 64 gigs, and then we have the older version Pixel 3 XL, and today we're going to be doing a simple data transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and power up this phone, and we're going to wait for this to power up, and we're going to need a couple of tools. So we're going to need a paper clip to move the SIM. So we're going to use the paper clip. Here on the bottom is where we need to put it in this hole to get that SIM card out, and then we're going to put it in the new SIM slot up here on the new phone. So now I'll move the phone number over. And then the second thing we're going to need is both male USB-C cables. So then we can plug one cable into here and the other one in the second newer phone. So then it'll do the data transfer for us. So once we have the new phone powered on, it's going to give you hi there. If it doesn't give you this screen and if it automatically loads you in and this is my new phone, then go ahead and go into settings and do a factory reset so then you can get to the screen and then hit start. And then this is the part where it's asking you to enter the SIM. So let's go ahead and put our paper clip in here and get the SIM card out of the old phone, which I've already put this phone in airplane mode so we don't get any more new phone calls or new text messages. So then all this will get moved over here with the SIM, and it'll have that information once we boot it up. All right, so we got our paper clip in and we pushed it in to get the SIM card out. So let's go ahead and take the SIM card out. There's our SIM card. Let's take it out. Now we can take this SIM card, and we did the same thing with the paperclip tool. There's our slot. So we just need to put our SIM card in that slot, make sure it's nice and snug in there, and then slide it into our new phone. Now, if you don't have the SIM card, you can always do this later, but I recommend doing it now since you already need to do it anyway. So now let's go ahead and I'm going to do setup offline for now. All right, it's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. So I went ahead and connected to the same Wi-Fi that phone's on. So I went ahead and did that. It's basically going to go out to the internet, reach to see if there's any updates or anything that's going on, and then it's going to get the phone ready. Then the next part is going to ask us to go ahead and connect our old phone if we have any transfer of data we need to do. Usually you can do that from a Google backup, or since we have the phone here with us, we can go ahead and insert this cable into each phone, and we can go ahead and do the data transfer that way. So let's go ahead and plug that cable in. All right, you can see we're at the data transfer part, and now it's asking us to copy the old phone data, this is the old phone to the new phone here. So let's go ahead and hit copy. And then it's going to ask us to use our verification. So that could be either your PIN, your fingerprint, or a pattern. So I'm going to pause it and do my pattern. All right, and it's looking for the accounts to copy. All right, and now it's getting ready to copy all your data, like your documents, photos, anything you might have. And one thing to point out, if you don't have this type of cable and you just have the standard USB to USB-C cable, then you can get adapters that can plug into the old style USB into another male USB-C. So you can then use this cable to do that data transfer. But luckily, I had a cable already because I do this many times with phones. So I already had one. So this is the same cable. So like I said, this is going to take a little bit depending on how much data you have. It came already up. So now here's where you can select what you want to copy over. So of course we're going to want to sync over call history, device settings, SMS, which is text messaging, MMS, music, photos, and apps. So let's go ahead and copy that over. And there you go. Now we just got to wait 5-15 minutes or so, however it's going to take to copy this data over. We're just going to go through these choices here. And then I'm going to turn that off. And then accept. And that's pretty much it, you guys. The rest, you just keep following these steps and you'll be all set. But that's how easy it is to transfer data from one phone to another using a standard cable that you can get off eBay for $5 or $10. I would definitely recommend getting the cable because doing it over Wi-Fi would take a lot longer. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.